Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. And this baby right here rock and rolls. Wait till you hear it start. It's a genuine 138 code SS. It's got a high performance big block under the hood, custom suspension, custom brakes, a new air conditioning system. It's got a lot going for it. It's only got about 10 miles on the body off frame restoration. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can get the price on all of our vehicles, full description, photos top to bottom. There's a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. Also, take a second to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos come out. So right now, though, join me. Let's go for a spin. It's a Georgia car. They claimed it's all the original sheet metal. I've been around it. I was just in the trunk with a flashlight. I believe that it is the original sheet metal. It's a dry car. The body is super clean. But first I'll tell you about the underneath. It's also super clean. The floors were cleaned and painted a nice semi-gloss black. They're all clean, not patched up, not rotten, not caked with fiberglass or thick tar, nothing like that. Just clean floors, clean inner rockers, clean frame. All the suspension is rebuilt with a lot of upgrades. Up front it's rebuilt pretty much to stock. It does have QA1 shocks. In back, it's all QA1 setup. It's got the adjustable gas shocks, has special springs, lowered springs, custom control arms, upper and lower, sway bar. It has all new brakes. They're disc at all four corners with drilled and slotted rotors. New fuel system. It's a new tank with the new straps, new sending unit. It's the original 12-bolt rear end to the car. It's the original number matching Muncie 4-speed to the car. Bottom of the motor, you look up at it, it's still spotless. It has a new high torque starter. So underneath the car is really impressive. Getting back to the body, it's clean, it's straight, it fits beautiful. The paint is polished out real nicely. These hood grills look like they're new. All this trim looks new, the bumper, the moldings. I noticed they put T3 original headlights in here. So all that looks like it's been replaced. Emblems. Staggered size wheels. Those are 18s in front, 20s in back, even extra wide in back. So it's got a nice lowered, cool stance. Panels are all, it's all metal, smooth, no bubbles. I've been around the car. I don't see any issues as far as cracking or problem areas. It's all in beautiful shape. No vinyl top, of course. Back here, all new. All the trim, the emblems, the moldings, all new. Has real nice glass in the car. The trunk compartment is just clean metal. Just dry, clean metal. No patches, no weird looking areas where they doweled it up. The factory seams in the Jambs are still clean as a whistle. This is all gloss red, new rubber, new decals. It's a brand new tire on a painted rim, has the complete jack assembly. And like I said, I didn't see any splices in there. Good, clean metal. These moldings look like they've been replaced. The mirrors, the handles, the fuzzy strips, the weather strips, the door jambs are painted real nice. Sill plates are new. Looks like the interior has all been redone. It's got bucket seats with the center console. The trim on the seats, the upholstery's been replaced. Door panels, armrests, dash pad, all the chrome bezels across the dash. It's all been replaced. Headliner and visors are new. They fit tight as a drum. Windshield's been replaced. It's a 1970 396 motor. They claim it's 600 horsepower. I drove it. It is quick. It's a roller motor, which means it has a roller valve train in it, the rockers and that. It's a bow tie aluminum intake. a new dual feed Holley carb. It's got custom fuel lines, braided hose, custom fittings, brand new MSD ignition system. It's got some shiny coated headers, so the motor's fresh. There's about 9 or 10 miles on the odometer. Apparently that's all the car has since it was done. It's a shop in Georgia built the car, and I believe they said the gentleman passed away that they built it for. Back to the interior, the cushions are all real nice. New carpet, new embroidered floor mats. It's got a new vintage air conditioning system. I'm sorry, it's classic auto air, but it is an all-new system. So the original controls are now actually electronic, no old cables getting bound up. So the controls are real nice. They installed the AC vents neatly. Has a retro stereo fit right in the dash, 6x9 speakers. It's got seat belts front and back, deluxe wheel. It has the factory gauges in the dash, and they've also fit a tachometer in the console where the clock would be. They did a nice job of that. Back to the motor compartment real quick. The whole front of the motor is all new billet components. It's the modern power steering. It's polished. One-wire alternator is polished. Brackets are polished. A little mini AC compressor is polished. It has a serpentine wide belt with billet pulleys. Runs cool with an Edelbrock aluminum water pump, new electric fan, new aluminum radiator. So everything in here is new and fresh. New power brake booster, master. Start it up. Hold your ears. You won't need to turn the volume up to hear this one. Except I got a bunch of keys here. You find the right one. It's usually the last one I try, of course. I hope that wasn't too overbearing on the microphone and the speakers. This thing's got a rumble. If you go to our website, in the description somewhere, we're going to post a separate YouTube link. We filmed as I drove this car. The day I took delivery, we went ripping down the road, and this thing's awesome. If you watch that video, you'll be calling to buy it immediately. So check that out. It's at volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have a whole staff of people. Please, if you have questions or concerns, let us know. We'll help you with that. We can help with the financing, the shipping, volocars.com. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell. You'll be the first one to see these videos as they come out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more.